We're running a little tutorial on how to use Freeance Mobile, Map Viewer, and SmartForms for viewing maps and making new mapping points with Marcellus Shale application. So let's go into the application. We got an iPhone and an Android here. We'll go into the map viewing application, and let's just pretend we're going into this fresh, new. So I'm jumping back to the map list and going into the application. This is after we've downloaded, which we have another demo movie on. And let's show you how it works here. First of all, we can turn on some layers. And we're going to turn on the wells, all 6,000 of them, and inspection points. These are inspection points that you can make. And we'll save that. Lots of data. We can pan, we can zoom, we can click the plus to zoom in. We can double click on the screen to zoom in. On the iPhone we can pinch, kind of like Google Maps. Okay. We can also hop out of our truck and just zoom to our GPS location with this little arrow right, with a little target right there. And that zooms to our current GPS location. Let's go back to the home map though. Now, other than, we'll go back into it again. Other than zooming into our GPS location, or just panning and zooming, say I know the well that I want to go to. Well, hit the search key. Let me go back there. Hit the search key right here, the plus, or the magnifying glass. We want to search. And I'm going to search on a well. Fill out as much or as little as you want. Operator, Chesapeake. Search. You can fill out what county it was in, what farm, what permit. Okay? I can look at the information when I hit the I. Once again, look at the information with hitting the I over on the right. Or click on the left and zoom to it. Okay? There it is. Centered on the screen. Now, boy, I want to see some more data. Let's turn on the aerial photos. I hit that layer command and hit aerial photos. Done. Save. And we'll see the aerial photo come up. Now, I want to make an inspection. I'm over here on these wells. And somebody left a gate open, or I did an inspection. Let's add an inspection. Let's hit the pencil. And I want to add an inspection point. Pick a point on the screen first. And that's where it's going to put the point on the GIS map. So right here on the corner of that. Then hit attributes to fill out the form. Site name is test. Site type is, well, just put well. You can fill out whatever you want. Logger is my initials. So forth. We can even come in here and add a photo. Let's take a little photo of just my mouse. You can take as many photos as you want. Okay, we're done. Let's hit save. Now watch, it'll pop back to the map and put a little yellow point there. That's our inspection point. You can even click on it to identify that. Click it once and you'll identify it. Hit the I and we'll see the information I just put in there, including the photo. Anyone can see that. That brings up this application. That's not data on the phone, that's data in the server. Okay, so that's how the application works. Freeance Mobile, GIS, and SmartForms on the Android and iPhone. We're going to go into one more demonstration here. Say I don't want to view the maps, I just want to make quick inspections. I do that with the SmartForms app that we downloaded. And I'm going to jump back here like I just came into the application. And when you first go into the SmartForm application, you'll see that we have this setup, which we showed you how to do in the setup. We'll go ahead and hit save. And we've got to type in default for the user. Just a little security. Default, default. Hit Marcellus inspection. Hit general inspections. Let's go in, and this is how we do it. First we want to turn on the GPS, because I'm going to collect my inspection at my current location. Hit high accuracy GPS. That's just telling me to use the GPS for this application. Searching for a GPS location. Go ahead and fill out the rest of it while it's working on that. We even have the option. Now these are forms that are custom built by you. This is just a general form that we put in here. Once again, we can take photos. We'll take another photo of my mouse. And we'll use that. Let's take 2 seconds and put this iPhone at the window and collect some data. And while we're doing that, I'm going to go into the Android, the map viewer. I'm going to zoom to my current GPS location. I'm going to show you this form actually pop up on the mapping when I collect it with the GPS. So here we are, drilling into Dayton, Ohio, where our corporate offices are. Let's turn on the aerial photos. Let's turn on the inspections. We're not going to see anything if we don't turn the layer on. Now let's go into the SmartForm. Type in default. Default. Go into that Marcellus shale, go into general photos, turn on my GPS quickly, high accuracy. There we go. Let's go down and grab a photo real quick, just so we can see how impressive this software is. Once again, we can grab as many photos as we want. We'll go ahead and use that one. Done. Okay, let's get in the right profile here. Let's go ahead and save that. We'll just put in that this is a test site with my initials. Go. And then let's save and done. And let's jump back to the mapping application. Let's zoom in and see if we get a yellow triangle show up of, there it is, where that point is. Let's turn off our GPS so we can see it. And there's that yellow triangle where we just grabbed that inspection. Let's identify it. There it is. There's my photo of my mouse. How about that? Freeance Mobile, GIS and smartphones. Smartforms on Blackberries, Androids, and iPhones.